Good morning, everyone. Congratulations to all the sellers. Kagabi. So our signal sa Telegram is sell gold at 2002.5. The stop loss was 2006.5, and your TP 1990. So I hope everyone get a profit from this one. Kahit di nyo nasagad sa TP, but at least naka-profit kayo 1 or 2% ng mga accounts ninyo. Okay, so bakit tayo nag-sell kay gold? So let's go direct to the point na agad tayo. Here we can see sa previous day natin na meron tayong London and New York overlap dito that created a resistance here. So this is the resistance created during a high volume time. So this is a very high volume resistance since ito ay overlap ng London and New York. So when you have a very high or very solid resistance, alam niyong hindi basta-basta mababasag yan without any catalyst. So the catalyst was supposedly to be a news, mga ganon, economic news. But here we can see, nung nagpasok na tayo sa previous day, sa araw kahapon, here nag-retrace muna siya, and then during the Asian session, consolidated here. So hindi tayo nag-trade ng Asian because the volume there is not really significant. So nung pagpasok ng London, the opening of the London session, nakita natin dito nag-spike up si gold and testing that solid resistance, and then created a hindi kasi tayo nag-trade din sa London. So, it created a rejection week. So, itong mahabang week na to na pula, that is a rejection week. Meaning, ni-reject nito yung prices here. And it confirmed that this is a very strong resistance. Kasi, number one, it was created during the London-New York overlap. Too much volume. And during the high volume time ng opening ng London, and then the London session, tinry niyang i-break but hindi niya kaya. And then this candle is telling us that, oops, hanggang dito lang muna tayo ngayong araw na to. Okay, because this is a London big volume rejection, meaning yung prices dito na-reject. Kaya it created a bearish candle, even breaking the low of that bullish push. Okay, na-break niya yung low ng bullish push. So, yung bullish push na to, this is the last time na magpupush siya. So, this level is a very significant level, and that level is the level na kung saan tayo pumasok nung New York and London na overlap. So, makita natin dito, this is the 2002.5. Nung nag-London session na nag-consolidate siya, and the pre-New York session was try to break it, just try to break the 2002.5 na level, diba? Ito yung, and nakita natin dito, there's a one rejection week, and then there's a lower high, and then dito sa ating malapit na yung overlap ng New York and London, makita natin there are wicks, but it closed below this high. So rejection week, lower high, and then these are rejections of the lower high. So it means it will create another lower high. So sa pagpasok ng overlap ng London and New York, I signaled a sell sa 2002.5. Bakit sa 2002.5? Because this high volume time, yung last bullish push niya, and then the rejection week, ang pinaka-significant level doon is the 2002.5. So that is the Sogeking na bias natin. Okay? So, ulitin natin. The bias was Sogeking, and this is the triggers of that. Strong resistance here, the rejection week here, the break of the body ng last bullish candle na to. This should be your entry point for your Sogeking para hindi masyado malaki yung drawdown nyo. Then the entry is kung may resistance overlap, the overlap will create another resistance. So, yan yung magiging bias mo. So, this is the rejection. This is the anticipated na magiging resistance ng sunod na overlap. O, yun. Ang nangyari is the 2002.5 hold its ground, and then nag-close siya below that one. Nag-entry na tayo dito, nag-close siya, and then bumaba, bumalik ng konti, then bumalik sa 1990.5. So this is your 2002.5 na entry. So even if you put a stop loss sa 2002.45, hindi ka pa rin aabutin yan unless you are using a high spread na account. Okay? So mas maganda na zero spread ka. And if hindi ka naman Stop gain, congratulations, and hit mo yung 19-19-11. So that was the bias behind the Sogeking setup. So lagi lang natin tandaan, number one is that you should have a solid resistance. Confirm it with a rejection from a high volume session. Wag na wag umasa sa Asian. So London session. So you can use this indicator sessions looks algo para mas mabilis ang pagtansya nyo doon sa high volume hours. Okay, malalaman nyo agad yung high volume hours sa mga sessions or sa mga candles. So mas mabilis yung identification, high volume. Then rejection, created a lower high here, execute a Sogeking here when this candle closed below that high. So meaning meron ka ng panibagong lower high. So kung nag-entry ka dyan, supposedly your drawdown, kung nag-drawdown ka man, is around 10 pips only. And then you hit a 100 pip na target, almost 100 pip, 898 or ano. Okay, so congratulations everyone. I hope you learned something from this video. Ito yung Sogeking setup. For kung gusto nyo yung SGC setup, andun sa previous video natin when we got this breakout nung last time nung nag-buy tayo. And then ngayon naman yung sell natin. Yung dito, Sogeking pa rin pala yun. Sogeking at 1966. And then yung breakout ng 1980 yata yun. So, nag-break din tayo, nag-SGC tayo. Then, another Sogeking na naman ngayon. So, tatlong setups na maganda for this week. So, I hope you had a very profitable night last night. So, kung hindi man, just continue, huwag sumuko. And, God bless everyone. Sana maging profitable kayo yung linggo. Okay? So, kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe kayo sa YouTube channel natin and join our Telegram channel for more trade ideas. So, I explained everything. Hindi lang tayo nagbibigay signal, kundi nagbibigay din tayo ng mga setups. So, if you want to join our Magic Nights, pwede ka rin mag-join but hindi pa siya tapos. Pag natapos na siya, I'll post it in our Telegram. Okay? So, God bless everyone and gold day.